In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on MailerLite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating a newsletter can be a fantastic way to keep your audience updated and engaged with your content, promote events, or just share useful tips and insights. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open MailerLite. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Campaigns option on the left-hand side of the screen. It's usually one of the main categories. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Campaigns page, where all your previous campaigns might be listed. Now, let's create a new newsletter. You'll see a button that says Create. Go ahead and click that. A new menu will pop up, and you'll want to select Regular Campaign. This is the option you'll usually use for your standard newsletters. The next step is exciting because you get to choose how you want to design your campaign. You can either start from scratch, which offers a blank canvas for your creativity, or you can select a pre-designed template which can save you some time. For beginners, I often recommend choosing a template. It's preset with layouts and styles that can help you get a faster start. Once you've made your choice, click to open the drag and drop editor. In the drag and drop editor, you'll see various content blocks on the left side of the screen. This is where the fun begins. You can start adding elements like text, images, buttons, and more. Just drag and drop the blocks you want into the main content area. If you want to add a title, for example, select the text block and pull it over. After that, you'll click on it to edit and customize your text. It's a great idea to make your newsletter visually appealing. Consider the images you want to include. Perhaps you have brand graphics, product images, or even stock photos that align with the message of your newsletter. To add images, simply drag the image block into your layout, then upload your picture or select it from the library. Once you've added all the necessary content and customized it to your liking, the next step is to finalize everything. Look for a button that says Done Editing and click on it. This will take you to the Settings page, where you need to fill out some important details about your campaign. Here, you will need to enter your campaign name. This is for your reference, so make it something meaningful. Next, input the subject line of your email. This is crucial because it's the first thing your recipients will see, so make it catchy to encourage opens. Don't forget to fill in the sender information. This typically includes the name and email address that will be displayed to your audience. You'll also need to provide a pre-header text. This is the short summary that appears next to or below the subject line in an inbox preview, and it's another opportunity to entice your audience to open the email. Now that the basics are covered, let's think about who is going to receive your newsletter. MailerLite allows you to select specific groups or segments for your campaign. Choose the audience that you want to reach, and make sure they're checked off. Once you are satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Continue. Before you hit the Send button, it's essential to preview your email. Take a moment to look at how everything looks together. Are the images displaying correctly? Does the text flow well? If you feel that it's necessary, send yourself a test email. This way, you can see exactly how it will appear in someone's inbox. Finally, decide how you want to send your newsletter. If you're ready to send it immediately, look for the Send Now option. But if you want to schedule your newsletter for a later date or time, select Send Later and choose your desired date and time. After everything looks perfect, go ahead and hit that Send button. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a newsletter using MailerLite. I hope you found these steps helpful in your email marketing journey. Don't forget to take a moment to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Happy emailing!